Good day, mates. Ever heard of the law of assumption? Not your average law, but a mental approach to help you achieve your goals. Let's dive right in, shall we? First, imagine a world where your dreams are reality. Whether it's running a marathon, writing a bestseller, or retiring early, picture it clearly. That's step one. Next, feel the emotions that come with achieving these goals. Joy, pride, relief. Let them wash over you. This is step two. Finally, live as if you've already accomplished your dreams. The confidence, the satisfaction, the peace. Embrace them. That's step three. That's the law of assumption, a powerful tool to transform your life. Wealth, health, happiness, they're all within reach. Remember, your mind is your greatest ally. Believe and you shall achieve. Now go out there and make your dreams a reality. Catch you on the flip side.